VIP airport upgrades for Nicola Sturgeon and hotel stays at 5-star Gleneagles are among the expenses uncovered on taxpayer-funded cards. Now Humza Yousaf must admit if the spending spree is still going on. Anyone with any doubts about the fact that Nicola Sturgeon's SNP government had a distinctly cavalier attitude towards the lavish spending of other people's money need only have a look at the new revelations unearthed by Scottish Labour. They will see in their expose that there seems to be a feeling within some sections of this government that taxpayers' money, i.e. our money, is theirs to do with what they please. That is what we're very much entitled to believe after the amazing details winkled out of St Andrew's House by Labour's Michael Marra in relation to the bank and credit card splurges, there can be no other word for them, by Scottish civil servants on behalf of their ministers, during Sturgeon's time at the top. Ministers, who furthermore, are determined to enjoy the finer things of life, providing someone else is paying, of course. No expense seemed to be spared by government officials and SNP hangers-on to ensure that they and their political masters always travelled, if not first class, then at least without too much discomfort. Waiving apparently limit-free credit cards, or at least with only the most cursory of checks made about their use, they spent, for instance, £10,000 on VIP airport services. These were designed primarily, I would imagine, to ensure that former First Minister Nicola Sturgeon and her team didn't have to mix with the common people, you know, like voters, and could speed through airport check-ins and baggage reclaim queues. Of the 58,000 credit and bank card transactions, Mr. Marra unearthed, he said, "These are the spending habits of an arrogant and entitled government with no regard for taxpayers." And he added, "The SNP government is frittering away public money on frivolous purchases and VIP treatment while services are stretched to breaking point." However, while there was certainly plenty of frivolous purchases, like nail polish and a yoga class, it was also clear that nothing was too good for them. A stay at the 5-star Gleneagles Hotel in September 2019, for instance, set you and me back by a cool £4,182, and that doesn't include the £856 cost of entertaining a UK minister, too. All in all, it's clear that it's nice work if you can get it. And it would seem that you can get it if you work for the SNP government. Or at least, you could whilst Nicola was in charge. Have things changed under Humza Yousaf? He should tell us.